Hey guys, so I'm just in the middle of filming another video for this eye look. I will make sure to have that up for you if you're interested. If not, ignore it. But I thought I'd share what my lip combo is, and this is actually a lip I like to do. I did it recently for a more neutral look. I'm going to stick a picture here. But basically it's just two products, super simple to do. You can easily apply gloss over it if you want to make it more shiny. I was actually going to take my passport pictures, which is why I had to do it all matte. But it's just two products, and they're really good long-lasting products and pretty affordable too because they're from the drugstore. So I like to use the NYX Line Loud Lip Pencil in the shade Total Baller. So this one, it does come in one of the pencils that you have to sharpen. But it is a brown leaning pink. So this is really great for, I'd say, medium skin tones. It's going to look kind of like a 90s lip, but very friendly for your skin tone. I am, just for reference, light to medium or medium skin tone typically. So I like to line my lip with this color. And I do have a fairly pronounced Cupid's bow. So what I like to do to line my lips is that I will... Okay, backstory. If I am looking at you head on and serious, I kind of have a little bit of a resting bee face. So what I like to do is with my liner, I'm going to follow the downward line of my lip, but I'm going to curve it up just a tiny bit. This motion is an exaggeration, but you're going to see what I mean by like just a tiny little swoop at the end. So when I am looking at you head on and serious, it's going to look like I have a little bit of a lift and maybe I have a Mona Lisa smile going on. So I'm going to go ahead and start lining my lip. I'm going to go down and up. So as you can see, it did already create a little swoop upwards versus this side, which doesn't have it. And as I mentioned, I do have a pretty marked Cupid's bow. So what I'm going to do is right where the Cupid's bow should be, I'm going to go upwards a tiny bit. So I'm going to do like an up flick. And I'm going to connect that to what I did. This is just going to follow my natural lip line. If I wanted to overline, I could do that, but I won't. And this is the combo that I used on one of my reels recently, I think. Really great color though. It's a brown that looks fairly natural. I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. So down and flick up. Again, go upwards a little bit to mark the peak and connect that to what you just drew. I'm going to go underneath as well. And what I like to do underneath in the center, I like to go over my lip line a tiny bit. Just in the center. And on the sides, I follow the actual line itself. I'm going to fill in the corners. Top and bottom. And I find this to be a relatively long-lasting pencil. Smack my lips together just to blend it out, and I will clean it up with a concealer. So, whoops, totally just put a little black fuzzy by accident. There we go. Now I'm going to go in with the lip color itself. This is the Maybelline Superstay in the color Seductress, number 96. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some to the center part of my lip and the upper part of your lip. And what I like to do here is I'll take my finger and I'll just spread it out so it blends better with the liner I did and doesn't look harsh. It kind of gives the same effect you would get if you were smacking your lips together. You can smack them too. And finger test to take off any excess. And that's pretty much the lip look. You could go in with a slightly darker shade as well. This is the shade Amazonian, and do the same thing. Apply it in the middle and spread it out. And I'm just putting it on top of the other one just to show you the colors. This one's slightly deeper. that's the look, guys. Also, the eye look isn't done. I still have to put lashes, which is why this might look a little bit funky. But I'll make sure to put some pictures on the thumbnail of what the lip actually looks like with other looks. As always, if you like this, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and share with others. Take care, guys.